Saving money isn't a one-size-fits-all process. What works perfectly for someone else might feel restrictive, confusing, or completely unrealistic for you. And that's exactly why building a personalized saving system matters. Instead of forcing yourself into a rigid budgeting method, you can design a strategy that aligns with your lifestyle, spending habits, and long-term financial goals. A saving system becomes easier to stick to when it feels natural and manageable. When your approach matches the way you actually live, it stops feeling like a chore and starts becoming part of your routine. You're more consistent, more motivated, and more aware of how your money flows each month. Creating a personalized saving system starts with understanding your financial personality, how you spend, why you spend, and what truly matters to you. Once you know your habits, you can choose saving methods that fit your rhythm rather than disrupt it. Maybe you prefer structured budgeting, or maybe you thrive with flexible targets. Maybe automation works best for you, or maybe you need a more hands-on approach that keeps you actively engaged. From practical saving methods to goal-setting techniques, digital tools, and progress tracking strategies, you can build a system that supports you instead of overwhelming you. As your lifestyle shifts, new expenses, higher income, changing priorities, your approach can shift with you. A good saving system isn't static, it evolves as you do. By tailoring your strategy, staying consistent, and adjusting along the way, you'll create a saving method that strengthens your financial wellness, boosts your confidence, and helps you reach your goals without feeling restricted. Let's get started on building a saving system that truly fits you. When it comes to saving money, the strategy you choose can make a huge difference in whether you feel in control or constantly overwhelmed. One of the most effective methods is the envelope system. It works by dividing your budget into physical or digital envelopes, each dedicated to a specific spending category. Once the money in an envelope is gone, you stop spending in that category for the rest of the month. It's simple, visual, and incredibly helpful for people who tend to overspend without realizing it. Another powerful approach is the pay yourself first method. Instead of saving whatever's left at the end of the month, you move your savings to a separate account before you pay any bills or expenses. This strategy prioritizes your financial goals and ensures consistent progress, even during busy or stressful months. It's one of the most recommended saving strategies in personal finance because it removes the guesswork and the temptation to spend impulsively. Other budgeting methods, like the 50-30-20 rule, can also help. This technique divides your income into needs, wants, and savings, giving you structure without feeling too restrictive. And if you prefer a more flexible approach, hybrid systems let you combine strict categories with open budgets, depending on what works for your lifestyle. The key is choosing a saving strategy that feels natural to you, something realistic enough that you can follow it long term. Setting financial goals is another essential part of building a strong savings plan. Instead of vague intentions like, "I want to save more," focus on goals that are clear and actionable. Ask yourself what you want to achieve. Maybe it's an emergency fund, paying down debt, or saving for a big purchase. Make your goals specific and measurable so you can track your progress. For example, I will save $150 a month for a year to build an $1,800 emergency fund. Smaller, achievable milestones help you stay motivated and make your financial goals feel doable. Prioritizing your goals is just as important. Paying off high-interest debt often needs to come before long-term saving. Building a starter emergency fund is usually one of the first steps for financial stability. When your goals are realistic and well-defined, sticking to your savings plan becomes much easier. Automation is one of the most effective tools for staying consistent. By automating transfers from your checking account to your savings account, your money moves before you even notice it's gone. This eliminates the need for willpower and ensures your savings grow month after month. Automating bill payments also protects you from late fees, improves your credit score, and makes your financial life more predictable. Some banks even offer automatic roundups where your spare change goes directly into savings. A simple but powerful way to build your financial cushion without thinking about it. What makes automation so valuable is the freedom it gives you. Once the basics are handled automatically, you can shift your focus to bigger financial goals, earning more income, or cutting unnecessary expenses. Your savings continue growing quietly in the background. As your life changes, your savings plan should adapt with it. Big life events, starting a new job, moving to a new place, having a child, or facing unexpected expenses, can shift your financial priorities. A system that worked perfectly last year may not fit your life today. That's why it's important to review your financial plan regularly. If your income increases, you may decide to boost your savings percentage. If your expenses grow, temporarily lowering your savings contributions might be the healthier choice. What matters is staying flexible and adjusting your plan instead of giving up on it. Financial progress isn't always a straight line. What's important is staying aware, making small adjustments when necessary, and continuing to build a savings plan that supports your lifestyle and long-term goals. When your saving method fits who you are and how you live, staying consistent becomes much easier, and financial confidence becomes a natural outcome. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides. See you in the next video.